Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to post full-size pictures on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Instagram app and click on the plus button at the lower part of your screen and click on post. Okay, so now just go ahead and choose the picture that you want to post on your Instagram, and here at the lower left corner of the picture you can see a 2 arrow button, right? So just go ahead and click on it to have the full size of the picture. Okay, so just go ahead and do that in all of the pictures that you want to post, and that is how you post full-size pictures on Instagram. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.